Welcome back to another XDP Manufacturer Q&A. In this one, I'm joined by Dwayne from Timbren Suspension to go over their line of suspension enhancement systems. So Dwayne, what is a Timbren Suspension Enhancement System and how does it work?
So what it is a progressive spring rate Aeon coupled with a bracket or a locator Aeon, and it actually replaces the factory bump stop on the vehicle. And what it does is it helps your vehicle from squatting and swaying down the road when you're towing or hauling a heavy load.
What's the difference between airbag helper springs and the Timbren kit? And what are some of the advantages?
So a couple of the big advantages are a Timbren kit is maintenance free and guaranteed for life. Okay. The other thing is we sit about an inch to an inch and a half away from the axle. So when you're not loaded or hauling, you have your factory ride back in your vehicle. So in other words, with the air spring, you always have to have some sort of a load in that bag. If you don't have an onboard compressor, what's going to happen is you get to the campsite or wherever you're hauling, you unhook. You can't necessarily deflate that bag unless you want to manually fill it back up. You want to deflate it to 10 pounds so you get a little bit of softer ride. You don't want to carry your 50 pounds or whatever in there. Whereas the Timbren, once you've unhooked, you raise up, you come back to your factory rake, and then you have your comfortable factory ride. Also, we have a zero air leak guarantee.
And what are Aeon springs?
So the Aeon rubber spring is a hollow rubber spring. It's got a progressive spring rate. Pretty much what it means is the more weight you put on it, the stiffer it's going to get and the better it's going to be able to help your truck sit level.
So does this system increase payload capacity?
No, it does not. You never want to load your vehicle more than the manufacturer's weight rating.
Will these work on lifted trucks as well?
Yes, they will. We actually make spacer kits for lifted vehicles. Right out of the package, we have 2 1/2-inch, 2 1-inch spacers, which will give you up to about an inch and a half, which is good for a vehicle that's got a 3-inch lift in it. Anything above that, then it's into a little bit of a custom kit. And when I say custom kit, I don't mean we have to make a special bracket or anything for it. We already have the parts. We just have to assemble it knowing the actual height of the vehicle. So it would be determined between the frame and the top of the axle. Whatever that distance is, once we know that, we can piece a kit together for you.
Can the Timbren kits be used off-road?
Yes, actually, we do have a line that's called the Active Off-Road Bump Stop. Listening to the off-road community, they were trying to use our SES kits as a dampening solution. So when they bottom out, we were able to dampen that blow. Only with the SES kit, the durometer of the rubber was too hard. So the thing that we kept hearing from our community was, if you can make them softer and shorter, that would work perfectly for us. So that's what we did. So our SCS kits versus our ABS kits is the durometer on the ABS kit is a lot softer and they are a lot shorter for that application.
Do the Timbren suspension enhancement systems require any maintenance?
All of our SCS and our ABS kits have zero maintenance. It's a set it and forget it solution. They just work when you need them.
Now, when the truck is loaded, the spring comes in contact with the axle. Will the rubber spring cause any damage to the axle?
Absolutely not. I mean, that's what our kit's designed for. That's what the axle's there for. The axle will have a landing pad on top. If the axle does not have a landing pad on top, our kit will come out with a landing pad that'll have a U-bolt, the bolt right to the axle. So there's never any worry about anything destroying your axle, denting your axle, or damaging it. We've been doing this for 55 years, and we've had no reports of any incidents like that.
Is there any cutting or welding that's required for these kits?
Absolutely not. All our kits are direct fitment with the manufacturer's specification of the actual OEM bump stop on the vehicle. So in other words, however that bump stop comes off, our bump stop goes right back in the same spot. We'll have new brackets, new hardware, anything that's needed to mount that SES system.
Are there any other specific features or benefits that you think people should know when it comes to Timbren suspension enhancement systems?
Well, a lot of the things that I want to make sure people know about is we have a lifetime warranty, we're zero maintenance, you keep your factory ride when you're unloaded because we sit about an inch and a half away from the axle. It's a DIY install, so in other words, most of our kits can be installed within 30 minutes just right in your driveway. I'd like to thank XDP for inviting us in here to go through this chat session. Super excited to answer any questions and give anybody any insight on our actual product. So thanks again, guys.
A big thanks to Dwayne from Timbren Suspension for taking the time to give us a rundown on their suspension enhancement systems. To learn more and to get one for your truck, head on over to xdp.com today.